the Comics Studio. It's Krisha again, video number 2. And today we're going to be talking about the book, right here. It's called Rustikids, and it's basically a good book. So, about the Raichu thing, or Raichu, whatever, I don't care. This is how it started out. And this is just like basically how it was before. And this story is about me. It's Happily Ever After Krisha. And basically, yeah, it's about me being my own hero, and I don't need anyone, which is true. I don't need anyone. I have my family, and that's okay with me. I don't need you guys. Don't make your ugly faces. I don't need you. But basically, this is just Rustikids, a whole bunch of stories. So there's one, Passa Passa. There is a rat story. It doesn't have a name, but there's this Raichu story thing. The starting. There is Happily Ever After Krisha. There is Manahabi. There is Ice Chocolates and Vante. So all those stories is what you can find right here in this Rustikids book. So basically, yeah. So what the deal is with the game is we're probably gonna choose what it is, but if you guys want to have some comments about what we should do, please feel free to do that. And yeah, basically that's it. Bye. I rest the